Pastures need time to rest and regrow after grazing, as well as during drought or wet weather. Muddy areas around gates, water troughs, and feeding areas are not only unsightly and difficult for humans to get through, they are tough on horses as well. They also provide places for bacteria and parasites to thrive, which can negatively impact the horse's health. Providing a properly designed heavy-use pad in these areas, in conjunction with the loafing lot, can help you to minimize the damage to pastures during times of plant stress and give mud the boot. A loafing lot is a designated area that is well drained and includes a shelter, water source, and hay. Loafing lots are an excellent tool that allows your horses freedom of movement and exercise, while keeping them off of resting pastures that should not be grazed. Horses can be very destructive when allowed to run around and graze on pasture that is wet. If your pasture is too wet to drive a tractor on, then it's too wet for your horses to graze on. If you utilize a rotational grazing system for your pastures, then a loafing lot is a necessity. You can use a loafing lot when additional regrowth is needed in your pastures. Depending on the condition of the soil in the pasture and your management techniques, horses may need to stay in a loafing lot for up to several months. The more limited your pasture space is, the more important it is for you to protect it having a loafing lot and use it wisely. So where should you begin? A loafing lot should be designed to allow for an area of at least 600 square feet per horse to avoid overcrowding. If the plan is to use a loafing lot for long periods of time and/or for exercise, consider a larger size. The shape of your loafing lot should be determined by its location. The placement of the loafing lot should take into account topography, drainage, access to water, shelter, and the horse's needs. Locate the loafing lot in an area with good drainage, preferably in an area with less than a 5% slope. Any drainage off your loafing lot should go into a grass buffer area or vegetated filter strip. Constructing your loafing lot using a heavy use pad allows for you to maintain a mud-free zone for your horses. The main components of a heavy use pad include a geotextile fabric and stone layers that allow water to slowly drain away without mixing with the soil. Heavy use pads should be excavated 11 to 13 inches below the existing soil surface. Use Class SE non-woven filter fabric on the bottom and up the sides. For larger areas, use the manufacturer's recommendations for overlapping the fabric. Put down 6 inches of No. 2 stone. Millings or recycled blacktop can also be used for this layer. Compact the stone with the roller or by driving over it with the tractor. The next layer will consist of 3 inches of CR6 or CR8 stone that is also compacted. The selection of the topsoil material is an individual choice, but many horse farm operators prefer either 4 inches of compacted bluestone or 2 to 3 inches of washed concrete sand. This top surface will need to be maintained periodically by replacing any material that is lost. Most loafing lot maintenance issues involve safety. Make sure the fences are strong and free of any sharp projections. If you have a shelter in your lot, be sure to have proper gutters and downspouts to divert stormwater away from the lot to a safe, non-erosive area outside the lot. Remove manure on a regular basis. Remember, help is only a phone call away. Your soil conservation district can help you determine the best location for your loafing lot, as well as provide site-specific recommendations. Loafing lots and heavy use pads are great tools to maintain a healthy environment and happy horses.